what you've all been waiting for. The first 5 inductees into the All-American Pre-War O-Gauge Toy Train Hall of Fame. Number 5, the Flying Yankee. Fast, flashy, and fancy, the sleek lines of the Flying Yankee propelled Lionel into the streamline era of the 30s. This chrome-plated speedster was a fine replica of the Boston and Maine's Flying Yankee that raced every morning out of Boston on a non-stop dash to Portland, Maine. The cars are ingeniously coupled by means of vestibules that contain the light sockets for the interior illumination. I love the way the lights reflect off the shiny chrome surface. Number 4, a freight set, the 226E 264 steamer, heading 2800 series freight cars. If you had to pick one engine from the pre-war era that best combines fine running quality, detail, and style, that one engine would be Lionel's 226E. The 226E has Baldwin disc drivers with a thin chrome rim around them. The stanchions are secured by a bolt and screw. And the 226E has a red light bulb under the boiler to simulate the red-hot glow from the firebox. The 2800 series freight cars were the largest O-Gauge freight cars Lionel made. They were painted in bright colors and, combined with the 226E steamer, made just about the best toy train freight set any boy could hope for. Number 3, the Blue Comet. This O-Gauge version might be smaller than Lionel's standard gauge Blue Comet, but it's just as handsome. The two-tone blue set is headed by a 263E steamer and consists of 4 matching 2600 series passenger cars. Like the 226E, the 263 has the red light under the boiler. The O-Gauge Blue Comet has everything a toy train should have. Lots of color, lights in the windows, and it makes that marvelous clickety-clack sound. Number 2, from Lionel, the gorgeous orange, maroon, and gray Hiawatha. The real Hiawatha was designed by famous industrial designer Otto Kuehler and was the pride of the Milwaukee Road. Lionel's model is very colorful and impressive. Put your head close to the track. Watch as it speeds by. The lights in the window are just a blur. A scale New York Central Hudson, the mighty engine of the century, and 4 red and maroon streamlined passenger cars. Back in the early 30s, scale modelers sort of made fun of Lionel because all Lionel made were toy trains. This irritated Lionel's founder, Joshua Lionel Cowan. So he decided to show the scale modelers he could make the best scale model ever, and he did. The Lionel Scale Hudson is graced with meticulous detail and is still considered the finest scale model train ever built. The Rail Chief measures 7 feet long and is a marvel of railroad design and engineering accomplishment. So there you have it, 5 O-Gauge pre-war legends. Tune in next time for the first 5 inductees into the All-American O-Gauge Post-War Hall of Fame. Well, time to go. Have to do my homework. See you next time, and I love